This is hemming presser foot and it is used to hem fabric. So it comes in different size. This size is 5.6 mm, so you can get any size of your choice, and it helps you to hem your fabric in the same size, so it will make it easy and it will do it in the same size throughout the sewing. So I'll just show you how to use it. First of all, I'll replace this presser foot with the hemming presser foot. Let me tell you about an application I've been using for a while now. It's called StyleBit, and with StyleBit I don't have to do my measurements with pen and paper anymore. I can just take my measurements with my phone at anywhere and also anytime. So I'll leave a link in the description box, comment section, and also in my bio to download the StyleBit app. So this is how to use the presser foot. You first of all sew a little, then you drag the fabric into the presser foot just the way I've done it. So then you keep on folding the fabric just once, and the presser foot we do the second folding, we do the double folding, and also maintain the same size for you throughout the sewing. So you can see I just fold it once, and the presser foot will do the other fold and the other folding, and it will maintain the same size for the hemming throughout, and the size will be that 5.6 mm. So and this is how to use the presser foot for a straight hemming. What about if you want to do a curve hemming, like you want to hem your shirt and it comes with curve hemming? So I'll also show you how to do that. So this fabric now, we have the hem the edge to be curved, and we want to fold it with our presser foot. So I'll first of all fold a little, put it under the presser foot, then sew it a little before I drag the fabric into the presser foot. So just watch how I'll do it, and I'll put the fabric into the presser foot, then I'll start sewing, folding it just the way I did for the other one, folding it just once, and the presser foot will do the other folding and will maintain the same size, which is 5.6 mm. The app StyleBit do more than just measurement. With StyleBit you get to see any pending payment and get to see any order that is about to overdue. You can save orders, and you can also send invoice to your customers. So you can even message your customers from the app. You can message them in WhatsApp. As you can see, the hemming is of the same size. My fabric is a little bit stretchy, and that is why you're seeing the hemming is not balanced, but you can see it comes out good even as we are folding a curved edge. So just use a normal fabric and you see that the hemming will come out smooth and